Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a printer to Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. To do this, we need to open the settings, then go to more connectivity options, and then over here you want to go to printing. Then here we have print services. In some cases you might just need to use system printing service, for instance, in order to search for your printer and then add it over here. However, if you don't have it over here, what you might need to do is go back and you will need to add service. By doing so, you will open Google Play and you will have different plugins created by different manufacturers of printers. So depending on the type of printer that you use, you might need to download a different plugin. So for instance, let's say you use a Samsung printer, then you want to install the Samsung Print Service plugin. And once you do that, once you install it over here, then you will need to follow the instructions in order to finalize the option to add the printer. And of course, depending on the plugin or the printing service that you use, that you install, the way to install and detect the printer may vary. So I cannot really show you how to do this for every single case. You just need to simply follow the instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.